Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, the Kitchen Talks. From past few years, I'm in love with the cast iron cooking wares. They not only are versatile for your recipes, but also long-lasting, tough and durable. The only reason many people don't prefer it is because of the maintenance. The cast iron easily gets rust if not seasoned properly. As you can see here, I had not seasoned the wok from a long time, so it got rusty. The red and orange layer on the pan is known as the rust, and the rust is an iron oxide formed by the redox reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. It's really irritating when your pans get these rusty layers, but it's really easy to maintain them in a few steps. So here I am going to show you how I clean and season my cast iron cooking wares. First, clean the surface using a damp cloth or a kitchen towel soaked in water to remove the rust. Next, pour a little bit of dishwashing liquid. You can just use whatever you use to clean your dishes. Straight into the wok, and using a steel scrubber, scrub it nicely to remove the roughness and the rust. I season my cast iron pans and skillets every day to keep them clean and healthy. Make sure to clean from all the sides. Cast irons are tough, less expensive, they stay hot for longer time and naturally add iron into your meals. Once done, wash the wok or pan thoroughly under running water. Make sure you wash out all the rust. You can also wash the pan in boiling water. Boiling water in the new cast iron wok or pan will remove the pre-seasoning that is made from the factory. Next, I am going to boil water in the wok. Remember that after using the wok or the pan for a couple of months, you can stop washing with boiling water. Initially, it's needed, but not for lifelong. When you drain the water, it will be a little bit of orange in color. Don't worry, it is just the iron. The wok is nicely cleaned and dry. But as I told you earlier, the atmospheric moisture, a little bit of water can make it rust again. So I am going to season it. And for that I am using olive oil spray. But you can use any other cooking oil that you have. There is no specific oil that you should use. Seasoning provides a protective layer which provides a barrier between the iron and oxygen or moisture. Every time you cook in the cast iron, it gets seasoned. A well-seasoned iron pan are easier to clean. One of the reasons why I love cast iron cooking wares is because I can use them for cooking both on the stove and in the oven. Once your wok and pan is seasoned, it looks shiny, new and ready for the cooking. After using it for a couple of months, it becomes easy to clean and season these pans, woks and skillets. As you can see, no color is coming out from the wok. Other than this, the cast iron pans are naturally non-stick. They are easy to clean. They fortify your food with iron. They are inexpensive, tough, durable, and can retain the heat for a longer time. So that's all in today's Kitchen Talk video. If you have any questions regarding cast iron cooking wares, just let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. I shall see you with one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.